G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and I'm here today with a December Daily Christmas album walkthrough for you. This one is Christmas 2011, which I put together with my own scrapbook templates and printed it through Shutterfly. You can see there's some yellowing happening after 12 years, but it's held up really well. My 2010 book is looking quite battered, but this one's not too bad. So I created this all from scratch. This I'm sure is a cluster that was pre-made by Phill. A lot of it is my own handwriting font and an assortment of Christmas supplies from over the years. So on these ones I set up a daily template and I just added a number. I did a lot of these stamped ones. And it's a mixture of daily life but also Christmassy events. And I did sort of a template for the journaling: traditions, singing, buying, receiving, eating, organizing, watching, listening, realizing, giving and receiving. And I actually think I maybe blogged this and then used the blog posts to create the album, but don't quote me on that. And there's Phil's 30th birthday, documented. Every Christmas season is also a birthday season for us. Then I did kind of change up the format for the journaling. It's not every single day. And at this point I was doing my podcast. Does anyone remember my podcast? This is what the iTunes used to look like. I was number 4 in hobbies in Australia, or new and noteworthy. Anyway, back in the day, those old screenshots, it's funny looking back on them. Documenting our traditional Christmas carols, doing webinars, and then documenting different things, including when Phill sent us Christmas cards. That's very cute. And we went with both of us in purple. And Emily was so excited about this dress. And that Christmas day, we actually made it to 3 venues, both parents and my grandparents, who are the only remaining grandparents we have between the two of us. Funny here I say, Phill and Emily went into the water and it was too cold for me. Meanwhile, now I'm the swimmer of the family, so times change. Documented the Christmas gifts and our Christmas tree. And then New Year's Eve, which was my sister's 21st, which I did also scrapbook a separate page about that. But I often take my December dailies right up to Christmas, right up to New Year's Eve, because it is, or even New Year's Day, because it's a busy time for us. Have you documented Christmas 2011? I'd love to see what you did. How do you feel going back through your old albums? I know that if I was starting again, I probably wouldn't necessarily choose these exact embellishments, but they're kind of a captured moment in time, so I don't mind it. I mean, it's the peak rounded corners, so and the photos actually turned out reasonably well. I think this was before I had an iPhone. We were definitely still using our mega zoom camera. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed looking through my Christmas 2011 album, and I hope it's inspired you to do something with your Christmas memories. If you'd like to follow along, don't forget to click subscribe and then click on the bell icon and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Do you wish I could help you make your own photo book? Well, I can. Why don't you head over and check out my Simple Family Yearbook class. It's the easiest way to get a photo book done. This class is designed for the busy mum or grandma who wants to whip up a photo book in just a couple of hours. So we use auto curation to choose your photos and get it professionally designed for you. So all you have to do is make a few tweaks and order it. So why don't you take a sneak peek at the class? You can even preview some of the lessons here and get started telling your family stories.